Minister Godfrey Kabyanga najaranga government eri kubasa kwikiriza abari kushisha obusinge na mnongo mchanga cha Rwenzori.
Kubawa baveyo bwe babanga bavuddeyo security ejja kubaniriza ate bw'ovaayo wekenyini awo ndowooza punishment yabandi kuwadde eyiza kukendeeraako naye bwe baba bakukutte awo bajja kukukwatanga omuntu abadde akola adduka.
Esabi tehingwire abanyambundo okusyana hatabo government eri kugira ngu tekamanyire ekibiina eki barikurugamu bakatahirira ebyaro bishatu omu Fort Portal, Bundu Bujo hamwe na Kasese baretaho kwerarikirira omu batuura.
Bunyanga Kasese titwagala kibeerewo olunaku olulala kati tusazeemu nga batuuze ab'ebitundu ebyo ndi enough is enough, tekijja kubeerawo olunaku olulala ate beerosi bakakasiza bajja kukola kyonna ekisoboka kulaba nti tikibeerawo.
Ogwashabira abatuura okwehara okwetaba mu bikorwa ebirikuhenda amateeka.
Gadi tujja kujjayo kubanga amanya gabo gonna tugayina, amanya tugayina bwe twakutte batuwadde amanya gye babadde basula nabo batuwadde eki amanya, so amanya tugayina.
I'm reminding them come and be educated again to ensure that you don't have such activities in your areas.
Minister Kabyanga abuginaho bakuru b'ebyaro n'ekigendererwa cyo kutaha emiringo yo kukwatanisa nabo byokwerinda okurwana sebahagaro nkebi.
Ekikura kiritumira ba RSN mu rugo wayo RDC taremirwa mulimo kandi bwayikuremwa atari kuremwa we tuba twenda turemirwa bakabarabanka bakaruganka bana bo.
Council can pass some ordinances saying that the moment they find an LC1 insecurity in your area, if people are killed when you were there, I think you should be the first person to be picked.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.